In this video, we are looking at Dropbox, ticker DBX. We will look at some of the numbers of Dropbox. We will look at their recent 10Q report. We will look at what super investors buying or holding the stock. And then in the end, we will try to come up with a fair value of Dropbox stock to determine what kind of upside potential the stock offers from the current price level. So let's get started. First of all, if you have used Dropbox, and you can compare it to other cloud-based solutions, please write in the comments below. Okay, Dropbox is a global collaboration platform. It provides file hosting services and cloud-based solutions. If you look at the chart of Dropbox, we can see that the stock is down close to 14% year to date, while the S&P is down close to 17%. So the stock is down a little bit better than the S&P 500. The stock is down, of course, because of the overall market sentiment, also because of the slower growth rate, so many investors believe that Dropbox is a maturing company. Also, cloud-based solutions are viewed as a commodity in the eyes of many investors. So why not users just choose Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive? So this is the question that many investors ask. And according to reviews of many users, they are really good at providing file synchronization. They also provide a lot of other services. So they have around 700 million users, and their success is really dependent on how effectively they can monetize the existing users and can add more users. Okay, now let's look at the recent 10Q report. We can see that the revenue for the last quarter was 570 million. This represents 9% growth rate from the previous quarter. They also have 17.4 paying users, which is an increase from 16.8 million users from the previous quarter, while the average revenue per user is the same as in the previous quarter. If we look at the revenue by country, we can see that 307 million comes from United States, while the rest 265 million comes from international. So as we can see, they have the most users in United States, but their products are also used internationally. So almost half of the revenue comes from international users. Okay, when researching a stock, what I really like to see is that super investors, gurus, are buying or holding the stock that I am researching. And Seth Klarman, a famous super investor that I follow, he's the famous author of the book Margin of Safety, has around 2.5% of his portfolio in Dropbox. He reduced his position in the previous quarter, but he also reduced his many other positions, so I do not see it as a negative sign for Dropbox. So around 2.5% of his portfolio is in Dropbox. Dropbox is among his top 15 positions. Okay, what kind of growth rate can we expect from the stock? Management in their guidance expecting the growth rate around 9% in the second half of 2022. Also, Dropbox is rolling out many new products, Replay, Capture and Shop. They're also planning to monetize Dropbox Backup. So this is maybe the additional source of their revenue. Okay, this brings us to their valuation. What kind of upside we can expect from the stock? In 2 years, management is expecting for free cash flow to be close to 1 billion, while other analysts at Wall Street are expecting for the revenue to be close to 800 million, so around 25% difference. If we use free cash flow of 1 billion in 2 years in 2024, and we apply the multiple of 15 price to free cash flow, Google is trading at around 20 price to free cash flow, so 15 is on the conservative side. We get the market cap in 2 years of 15 billion. Right now, the market cap is close to 8 billion. So if we use the estimated free cash flow in 2 years of 1 billion and applying the multiple of 15, we get the 90% upside. If we discount it back to today, using the required rate of return of 10%, we get a still significant upside of around 60%. So the stock offers close to 90% upside in 2 years. Okay, in this video, we looked at Dropbox. Their success is really dependent on how they can effectively monetize the existing users and add more users. So if they can effectively roll out new products and achieve 1 billion of free cash flow in 2 years, the stock offers close to 90% upside. Also, if you want to know more about other stock investment ideas, here's the video on Warner Brothers Discovery, a significant upside potential also. If you are not subscribed to the channel, you can do this by pressing the button right here You will not miss a single new video. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.